Welcome back to the DerivNavigatorAcademy. In this video, I'll be giving you a recap for over 4. Okay? The over 4 videos already posted in the 4 over under videos in my channel, but today I'm doing a recap. Okay? So when trading over 4, what do you look at? The first thing you should ensure the number with the green circle is above 4, and you should ensure the number with the green circle is touching either 7, 8, or 9. So it should be nowhere near 4. Okay, it will be 2 to 3 numbers away. It should be either touching 7, 8, or 9. But if you see the number with the green circle is touching either 7, either 5 or 6, leave the market. Okay, that is not a favorable over 4 market. The second thing, make sure the number with the red circle is below 4. Okay, make sure it is at 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now after that is you have ensured all those are satisfied. Percentages, make sure all the numbers below 4 are below 10%, and after ensuring they're all below 10%, also ensure that they are 2 or 1% away from the number with the green circle. Okay, because the number with the green circle, as I said, signifies the number with the most appearing digits. So make sure that all the numbers below 4 are below 10% and nowhere near the number with the green circle. After you have done that, now it is time for you to place your entry. So there is 2 strategies for placing your entry in over 4. The first strategy, whenever you see the number with the red circle is at 0 and the number with the green circle is at 9, how do you place your entry at that point? So whenever you see the number with the red circle is at 0 and the number with the green circle is at 9, you'll wait for the ticker to touch 1 alone. Whenever you see the number with the red circle is at, let's say, 1, 2, or 3, any random number below 4, and any random number from 7, 8, or 9, let's say at 8, let's say the green circle is at 8, and the number with the red circle is at 1 or 2, you will wait for the ticker to touch 3 or 4 numbers below 4. I repeat, 3 or 4. Okay, so those are the 2 ways you can trade over 4. Either when you see the number with the red circle is at 0 and the number with the green circle is at 9, you wait for the ticker to touch 1 alone and you place over. Or whenever you see it is at any random number under 4, or any random, and the green circle is at any random number between 7, 8, or 9, you'll wait for the ticker to touch 3 to 4 numbers below 4. And as I said, in over under, it is all about timing. You time. When I say it should touch 1 alone, you should make sure that whenever you place over, that ticker is on 1. Okay, but if that ticker leaves 1, not place over. The same thing, okay, applies to the 3 to 4 numbers. Whenever you see it start the first number, second, and third, press over when it is on the 3rd or 4th number. Don't delay by even 1 second, okay? Because over under, what makes people losing over under is delaying. So guys, make sure you're vigilant at that. And as I said before you trade, make sure you have confirmed your settings, confirmed you have set over under, make sure you have put the right digit, because over under and even odd are very similar, okay? And you can think you're trading over under and you find yourself you're trading or even odd. Okay, so guys, make sure you confirm your settings, and yeah, you can place your trades. So guys, that is the over 4 video. But if you want a more extensive review, just go and watch the over under videos. I've explained in plenty there with examples and everything, but this is just a recap for people who who are asking me they cannot understand the video correctly. This is just a brief recap. So that is the over 4 strategy. Go practice it. Okay, please guys, if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. It will be highly appreciated, as it encourages our team to continue producing quality videos for you. Thank you for watching guys, and good luck.